Howdy guys, it's your host with the most, the one and only, bringing you back another video, this time going over the all new seasonal colors for the iPhone 13 cases. Now interestingly, before we start, I don't know what the leather offerings did to get on Tim Cook's bad side, but we sadly see no new color refreshes for the leather cases, nor do we see any refreshes on the iPhone MagSafe leather wallets. I don't know why this is, but I thought it was worth mentioning. And for the die-hard Apple snobs, you could match up your band and case to synchronize with your outfit or vibe for the day. Of all the official first-party cases, the Silicone cases are the only ones to see new splashes of color, and this time around we have 4 all-new colors to showcase. These 4 brand new offerings are available throughout the entire iPhone 13 line, so that also includes the Pro Max line and the Mini line, and coming at a pretty hefty price tag of $49 a pop. I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video, and as a treat and thank you to all my viewers, I change out my cases less frequently than I do bands, and all my cases usually end up collecting dust since I primarily only really rock the leather ones. So instead of these just laying in the studio collecting dust, I want to spread the love in celebration of this all new spring release. If you want to find out how you can win a brand new official iPhone 13 case featured in this video, you'll definitely want to stick around until the end. Alright, I think that's it for the introductions. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, ladies and gents, let's take a look at these cases under different lighting scenarios, and we have the following iPhones to model the cases. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite, the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue, and the iPhone 13 in pink. And I reiterate that we have 4 brand new colors, that being the bright and energetic Lemon Zest, a crowd favorite, the calm and very soothing Blue Fog, the vibrant and bouncy Nectarine, and the subtle yet intriguing Eucalyptus. Let's first start with Lemon Zest, and if you saw my sport band video for this current release, you know how much I love this yellow. It's not overly saturated where we go and blind people, nor is it one of those duller and lifeless yellows. While it still is most certainly bright, it will undoubtedly stand out from the crowd. And if you don't like colors that are bright and garner attention, avoid this one. But if you're like me and enjoy the brighter colors, this makes a stellar choice, especially now that we're about to enjoy more sunshine and warmer weather, at least for those in the northern hemisphere. Pair it up with the matching Lemon Zest Sport Band or Solo Loop and you'll have all the haters talking for days. Alright, up next, once again a color we have already seen. If you saw my Sport Band video, we have the chill and relaxed Blue Fog Silicone case. Because there's obviously more surface area when comparing the cases to the bands, some colors seem to hold a certain charm by radiating its character on a bigger canvas. And this is so the case with Blue Fog. If you have any of Apple's official leather wallets, you'll be pleased to hear that this color looks absolutely gorgeous no matter what color wallet you have. I particularly like how the classic saddle brown wallet just plays off so well against the light blue case that features just a small hint of periwinkles and purples. This color is not overly vibrant and doesn't scream for attention, yet it still has enough character to make it stand out. Up next is Eucalyptus. Quite possibly my favorite of the bunch, but I do have a slight bias for greens, especially darker olive greens and pine greens, and this color seems to be the perfect conglomerate of just that. It's like taking olive green and injecting a mix of khaki greens and pine greens to create a truly stunning color. What's more, this is the darkest of the 4 colors, if you even want to call it that, but this green isn't even really all that dark. It's perfect for those that prefer the more toned down colors, and this green is just truly admirable. I think Apple did a really good job on this one. You compare this new Eucalyptus case with the all new Solo Loop and Sport Loop that blends midnight with Eucalyptus for a very mysterious yet clean look. Don't worry, I'm going to review the Sport Loops and Solo Loops real soon. And last but certainly not least, we have Nectarine, the pure embodiment of what I imagine when I think of spring. You think spring and you imagine bright blooming flowers, longer days, and overall, a huge radiance of adventure and positivity. Nectarine truly captivates the eyes and makes for a very flashy and bright case that pairs well with the lighter iPhone colors. Nectarine is cool because at first glance, some may just brush it off as orange, but it's far from just that. It has elements of light pinks, tiny dashes of light reds, and then take that mixture of colors and turn the saturation up a few notches, and voila, you have Nectarine. If you're a fan of bright colors on your iPhone cases, you'll be really pleased with the radiance of this one. You compare this case color with the solo loop of the same name, as well as the sport loop that adds a nice twist with that dual tone design. And just like that, guys, those are all the new colors being featured on the Silicone case line. What do you guys think? I really wish they would have updated some of the colors for the leather wallets and the cases, as I just adore mixing and matching. It's cool when you can have variety, since sometimes you may want contrasting colors and maybe for others more complementing colors. Let me know which new color is your favorite down below, and before I close out, I do want to invite anyone who wants to participate for a chance to win a free case featured in this video. There will be 2 winners for this giveaway, and to enter, it's plainly simple. Just number 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel with bell notifications. 2, follow me over on my socials, as I will announce the winners over on Instagram and Twitter on April 10th, and maybe on TikTok, since I'm trying to post more on there. And finally, drop a comment letting me know what your favorite activity is to do during the spring. One of my favorite activities is to go hiking, since the weather is just right for that here in North Georgia where I live. It's not too hot nor too cold, but my fellow Georgians know the weather up here is so unpredictable. But anyway, guys, that's been it for now. Good luck to all who enter, and I will be catching you all real soon in the next video.